back, guys. We're going to cut this log into 8-foot lengths and see if we can load this monster on the back of this trailer and get it back to the milling area. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Boy, it's beautiful out this afternoon. Plenty left over on each end to square our log up. It'll be a handful. I think we can do it though. That log is almost the same diameter in that 8-foot length there. Just over 10 inches at the top. We've got about 11 to work with down here on the bottom side. And a lot of red in it. I'm going to go ahead and turn the mule around. We'll get it going down the hill. That'll make this a little easier to roll onto the trailer, I do believe. We can always use gravity. Keep moving logs around like this, and we're going to have to build us a trailer for lifting these things up. Now, my plan is, I went and grabbed a small jack stand, and I think we can balance the log on that, and then we should be able to back the trailer underneath here a little closer. These 8-foot logs are a little easier to move than the 12-foot ones are. That wasn't too bad. And using a round like this, the back of the trailer, it catches right on the log and helps roll right into the back of the trailer. That works pretty well for us too. Let me back up a little bit. Now, it is one advantage of having a trailer it's not setting a lot taller off the ground. Not bad at all. And they should get easier as they get smaller. Back out of the way. If you guys notice, taking my gloves off each time, I've already got enough sap on there to stick these things together. And I don't want the sap all over the steering wheel of the Mule, so it's just easier to take the gloves off. Dear Lord, that 391 makes some chips. We could use that for mulch. Probably hold the wrong one there. Definitely getting easier. It's 62 degrees today. Not bad for almost the middle of December now. I am, however, waiting on some snow to hit the ground so we can do some playing in the Mule and get you guys a pretty good video made of flying this thing across the yard in the snow. That is a lot of fun. Just being outside, working, taking you guys along for the trip, that's a lot of fun as well. And the channel has been really growing well, and thanks to all of you watching. I appreciate it. I can't believe the year is almost over, but here we are. And we have got a lot of work done here this year. May have to carry this little stand with me more often. I'm feeling this might be kind of handy. Not bad. You like it when it's easy. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of material milled up already, and there's a couple of projects I already know what we're going to do with some of this stuff. Now, as far as the trailer goes, that was my dad's trailer. He had that for probably 25 years before he passed it on to me, and he used to pull his little Craftsman 24 horse lawnmower tractor behind that thing, and he would go and plow snow. He had the blade for it. Of course, now it was all lever action, it wasn't hydraulic. and he had the plows, the the cultivators and things like that. And he ran that little trailer all over the place hauling that lawnmower. We're going to put some new wheels on the trailer. We're going to paint the frame, and we'll get it looking worthy to ride behind the Mule. These two in conjunction with each other, we do a lot of work here with these two pieces of equipment. And it makes it easy. That trailer tracks so well behind the Mule. They both have the identical wheelbase, so we're 64 inches wide there. The trailer is 8 feet long and 4 feet wide in the bed. And I think the trailer would look fine either direction. This oak could look amazing on there with a clear finish. But I'm kind of thinking the cedar with the red against the black of the Mule and the chrome wheels and things like that, I think that'd look pretty nice. But you guys let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're probably going to be milling some of this up. And if we decide to go with cedar, we'll have that ready and let that sap dry off that wood a little bit. And if not, we'll use the oak. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one.